This week I didn't get as much done as I'd liked, but real life encroached on me, but I'll go over what I did. So I went over the rifle effects sound module, adding a muzzle flash to my rifle and attaching it to the end of the rifle, learning about something called a socket. there's an attachment on the end of the gun where the muzzle flash effect goes. The muzzle flash is this effect right here. I also then learned about sound cues and how to create a sound cue, and the sound cues are in here, I believe. Weapon, assault rifle, and here they are. Here, these are the two sound cues that I created: the regular rifle loop, and then the end cue. I'll go over both of those. So here's the rifle firing loop, and it just randomizes playing one of the three sounds of the rifle firing. This is a randomizer. And then this allows you to adjust the output from the randomizer, so you can control the pitch and the volume using that. And then the same thing with the rifle end fire cue. There's lots of different ways to end the gunfire. The blueprint. I wanted to show you the blueprint for the event graph for the firing sequence. So pressing the mouse button, pulling this also works with the game controller, like I showed you last week. If we go into the input fire weapon action, we can actually see it's not in this blueprint, it's in the other one. But at any rate, yeah, you can pull the trigger on the controller, or you can press the left mouse button, and it just starts the firing weapon module. So this is it, and here's the sound that it's playing, the cue right here, the rifle loop cue. And then I create a variable called weapon firing sound, so I can use it on the stop event. So when I release the key or the trigger, it stops firing the sound. And here's the variable being called here. And this is the rifle end firing cue, so it randomizes the sound of the gun ending. And then when it all comes together, it looks like this. Alright, that was this week. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. I'll see you next week.